Alright. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ain't That Job. That gotta be job. Must be job. Back with another banger video. I ain't gonna lie, this is my last video on the motherfucking iPhone. Cause I'm waiting for my case to come in on a new content phone. You know, I can't drop my baby. I dropped this shit, nigga. I be sick, nigga. That shit was like $1,200, nigga. $1,100. But today we got the brake pad replacement on the 2012 Ford Escape. As you can see, my motherfucking rotors is fucking in shambles by the brake pads. I have replaced the calipers before, and these the new rotors, but damn, golly, I fuck my shits up being cheap. Don't ever be cheap, man. You hear that motherfucking grinding and shit? Replace your goddamn pads, cause golly, my shits is metal on metal. Just being cheap like a motherfucker though. Happy birthday to me though. Wait, is the back pad? I was about to say the back pad not even low. But hold on. I'm gonna get these motherfucking calipers off and I'm gonna show you how the rest. Hold on. Let me see if I can get y'all set up. See if I can see. I don't even know where the fucking video stopped. See, this is why I don't like using this phone. The video just stopped recording out of nowhere. As I was telling y'all though, I'm about to take the fucking calipers off. I don't know where it stopped at, but fuck it. This is why I'm not using this phone goddamn no more. Somebody got me for my long screwdriver or something, but I should have got all the tools out before I started, but I don't care. I'm gonna edit this shit anyways. Alright. So, first, you gotta get the the pads off the rotor. Let's take a oh yeah, there you go. Let me show y'all. It really is easier with the caliper tool. I mean the brake pad tool, but I'm gonna just fuck with it right now. Damn, I wish I had somebody to record. But yeah, you hit that little shit right there and push the motherfucking clamp back. I can't even speak right now. It's so fucking hot out. Push that shit back, and then that's when you can be able to release the caliper off the rotor. I'm about to do that. See? Way easier like this. Way easier. Way easier. And you can see everything. So you gotta get in there, push this back, and then you'll be able to take it off. Oh, I ain't even showing you. Alright, there's two caps on here. If you want to take the calipers off, there's two bolts right here and on the bottom. If you want to take the whole thing off, but if you're just doing the pads, you can just take off these push pins. Where should I? Two push pins, and I'm gonna figure out the size we got right now. I got the Allens. I had the correct size out before, but I don't know what I did with it. See, test them out. Too small. Yep, right size. See, yeah. This is a 9mm Allen. Get that in there. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey, so yeah, left. No, yeah, it's reversed on the on the sides. I do that shit every time. There you go. It's cracked now, so we can use the other side. Just get it loose. Get the other side loose before we fully loosen that. See, the bottom was way easier to get out. Also, this safety clip right here, pop that out. Usually wear safety glasses before you get that out, but I'm not even nowhere facing it. It does like to fly around, so I'm on the other side of this shit, so that's why it's fucking taking me extra time. What the fuck is my goddamn pliers? I had them upstairs while I was doing the order bed. But they give you extra hardware with the new pads anyway, so you can do it. You don't gotta break it, but if you have to, break this shit off. Jesus Christ, bro. The little safety pin is the fucking hardest part of the job. Oh, wow. Somehow the shit just slipped out. See the shit I be talking about, bro? Sometimes you just gotta fuck with the shit. Ah, shit. Damn, chat. Nah. Definitely don't do what I did. God, leave. Definitely don't do what I did. Look at this shit. That was like, that's metal on metal upon metal upon metal. Yeah. The plate falling off this bitch. This is too cheap. Don't ever be this cheap. God damn. Alright, then you push this. Damn, push the piston back with the thing. I might need new calipers too. Push the piston back with the old brake pad. I'm gonna do that. God damn. Hell no. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's so damn sharp it might cut me. I'm gonna gotta get the piston too. Hope I ain't break the goddamn shit. Being cheap. Definitely need the tool. Oh no, I can use the new caliper. I'm tweaking. These are new ones. I'm about to show y'all how bad I was doing. And this is the main reason why I became a mechanic too, because fucking around, your car be shitty if you don't take care of it. Look at this shit. Same exact piece. No motherfucking pad on that shit. New pads. Slide this one in there. Always remember to lube up your brakes with the brake lubricant. Where the fuck is my I got a brush to clean up the caliper. Gotta find that brush. You know what? Honestly, fuck that brush. Fuck that brush. Don't be like me though. Definitely clean up all this debris and shit. Fuck. Damn, I need to really buy one of the caliper tools then. Oh shit, I might need a new caliper. Hold on, we'll be back. Alright, caliper video. What's up, guys? It's your boy. Ain't that job? That gotta be job. Must be job. You see, we busted out that battery in at least 5 minutes. Now I gotta get to doing the caliper. I gotta get my ass back to work, bro. I've been out of work for almost a week now, bro. And I missed the motherfucking call yesterday for a flat tire replacement because I was getting my fucking hair cut. My goddamn barber took so goddamn long to get to the barber shop. As you can see, motherfucking leaked out all our goddamn brake fluid yesterday when I couldn't get the caliper back on. So we got the new caliper right there. And we're gonna get into this. We're gonna get into this. Yeah, that's valid right there. The fucking crawler is just falling apart. Look at this shit. The wheels just falling off this shit. Move everything over here a little closer. I gotta organize my motherfucking tools too. There goes new brake pads. New brake pad. I'm over here showing, I don't even know who I was just showing. New brake pads. Now this is what I'm trying to show y'all. Old brake pads. Don't ever let y'all shit look like this. I'm tweaking. That shit seized up my caliper. fucked this up. So that's not gonna go back. So I had to buy a new caliper. Had to buy new brake pads. It just came in today. Look how long I had to wait to do some shit that I could have been had fixed. I gotta organize my tool set today. I'm just trying to get this shit done. I don't care if video gets recorded or not. There's gonna be plenty more cars I can work on. All right, caliber. Make sure I got all the tools for this shit before we start. One caliber with the bracket and the hardware. I don't know if I'm gonna use the bracket. I might as well. I don't think it comes with bolts. I really just want to get the shit done. My bracket is not even that fucked up. I might have to use the bracket though, just in case. Came with a new clip. Some sandpaper to wipe down your rotor. This shit was definitely fucked up from the last brake pads. Look, this is how a caliper supposed to look. Not like that. Not like this. Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's because of the bracket. I was about to say. Oh, the bracket's already connected. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna just go bracket because I don't even feel like doing anything else. But the bracket's already connected. The piston's already pushed in. This should be easy. What size is this? It's probably like a 16. That's why I need to reorganize my tools because it'll be way easier to find shit. I'm fucking hungry. I hate that for me. It might be this one. Oh! It's a 16. Where the fuck did I put my 16? Oh, it's not a 16, it's a 17. See? That's why I need to have my tool set. Bro, this is the worst, because I could have been done. I'm missing a bunch of tools though, too. $17. Yeah, we'll be back when I fucking find the damn screw. I don't know what I did with all my tools. I'm an asshole, yo. I really had the right size the whole time. I just didn't have any, level and persuasion. But look on this. Yep. Straight out. Straight out. Yep. Just like that, chat. Crack that bitch right the fuck out. See, now let go. No matter what. Shit, come out faster in my hand. You just get this out. Place the bracket. for the new one. Hold on, I'm over here trying to hold the camera. Can't be cameraman and a mechanic at the same time. Got screw back on the new caliper for the brake hole. That's probably like the only part that's shitty. I think this is a 10mm too. So get your wrench. Nope, not a 10. I had the wrench for it though. Yep, 14, I remember. 14 clip XT. Make sure that's actually tight. You don't want to leak no brake fluid. It comes from mine. Yeah, one. Right, tighten down all the way. Make sure your caliper's all the way down. That's why I make sure I'm doing everything right with you. Y'all probably can't even see. Make sure you got the pads set in. I'm just trying to get this shit done, bro. I ain't been to work in days. Slide that on. Plus we gotta bleed the brakes too, cause we lost so much damn brake fluid. We gotta add more to get some into the new caliper. If I had had my goddamn impact drill, I'd been done already. Oh my God. Bro, god damn, it's the last part. I just need to flush down. Try to get the bottom one off here. Woo! I'm about to die over here. This video is about to be long as shit. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga tired. This shit was easier to unscrew than to screw. I should have checked what the push pin sizes was before I started. Ooh. There we go. Brackets is tightened in. They should have gave me 2 new bolts with the new bracket, but I don't know why. The push pins gotta be like 6, 7. I did that for the kids. Yeah, but it's a shame how I can't find none of my tools. need them. I just bought the damn thing yesterday. 6. Of course, it's too small. 7. Chat, y'all not gonna believe it. One size goes in, but the other doesn't. They give me 2 different size push pins. It says the push pin is down. Bro, these gloves make shit eat harder. I'm about to bleed these bitches. It's an 8. Man, the brakes is on. I ain't about to do this. I'm about to feel it. The fuck is my 8 socket? There you go. Gotta bleed that. I mean, I'm gonna guess I'll show ya. Gotta put the clip in too. Damn, 15 minutes is crazy. Clip goes in just like this. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all. God damn, bro, this shit is too much. Yep. Clip is on, locked in. I just gotta put some brake fluid in here. Pump the brakes. Bleed them. And then we done. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show you how to after. Cause goddamn, I'm not recording this shit. It's too much. But the brake fluid go in here. I'm out. I guess I can show you a little bit. Got some brake fluid in there. Bleeding the brakes right now. As you can see. Always make sure you got it higher up so the air doesn't go into the caliper traveling up that way. But old brakes and caliper, new brake pads and caliper. I didn't change the rotor. I'm gonna get this pumped and then I'm gonna show y'all when we on the road. Let's go. And this is exactly why I hate bleeding the brakes by my damn self. Almost wasted a goddamn whole gallon of brake fluid before being able to bleed the shit. But as you can see, rotor's on. Brake pads on, clips on, new rotor, new caliper, new brackets, old rotor and bracket. Get a picture for you too. Bam! It's your boy, Ain't That Ja? That gotta be Ja. I'm on.